Are you looking for the best room PC case desktop? In this video we will look at some of the best room PC case desktop on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Esports Transparency View Room Pro Computer. Warm reminder: the chassis is an empty chassis, and the pictures are renderings. If you want to use a fan, you need to communicate with customer service to configure it for you. Latest port. Our gaming case with Type-C port, audio 2-in-1 port and 3.0 USB for more convenient using big space. The ATX gaming case is 295mm width, huge inner space for ATX using. Topside support 360 water cooler, new motherboard rack. Support ATX. Number 2. Jonsbo TK0 ITX C View Room USB Desktop Computer. Model TK0 Black, White, dimension 235mm W, 250mm D, 280mm H. Material 2.5mm aluminium alloy plus 1mm steel plus 16mm wood. Drive bay 3.5 HDD 1/2.5 SSD. 1 motherboard. ITX front I/O port USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C 1/USB 3.0 × 1/audio 1 plus mic 1 2-in-1 PSU. Support SFX 160mm max. CPU cooler height 135mm max. Display card length 230mm, fan 120mm, 1/140mm, 1 optional 120mm, 1/140mm, 1 optional 90mm, 2 optional. Weight net 4.3 kg. Number 3. New black computer case desktop. Mini computer case PC case desktop. Max C View Room supports 240-in-1 water cooled full side ITX desktop heatsink 157. Latest port. Our gaming case with Type-C port, audio 2-in-1 port and 3.0 USB for more convenient using big space. The ATX gaming case is 295mm width, huge inner space for ATX using. Topside support 360 water cooler, new motherboard rack. Support ATX. Support backside wire plug-in. Number 4. Iceway LingYao Mini DIY C View Room PC case desktop. Brand OCNG model LingYao Mini, supporting motherboards MATX/ITX. Graphics card length limit 320mm, height limit of radiator 155mm, product size 346 × 275 338mm. Power support ATX power supply. Expansion card slot 5 PCS. Water cooling support. Rear 120 water cooling, top 240 water cooling. Number of supported chassis fans 7 PCS. Hard disk support 3.5 HDD 1/2.5 SSD 2. Number 5. Computer case. Desktop computer case. We sticks to the tentative quality first, customer foremost. If you need any products, you can send me product pictures or links. I will give you the lowest quotation as soon as possible, and then provide a link for you to order. All products sold in the shop are genuine. Please rest assured to buy. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us on AliExpress and we will reply you within 12 hours. Please check your messages often. We may have some issues, need your confirmation before shipping.